Greetings, I'm Amanda Perry with Team Wombat, presenting Wombat, a face verification web application. Wombat uses facial recognition with image verification to allow or deny users access using, well, their face. But just in case, we built in an override request. Let's check it out. This is the page users come to, and we simply need to follow the prompts to initiate the camera, take a picture, or retake a picture. Now, since we'll be in the system, we would get a success screen. But just in case that does not work, I'm going to go to dark theme, by the way, save my eyes. I'm going to fail this one on purpose. So we're going to see that it doesn't work. And here we go. We have the override request, and we're going to send that to the admin. So while that's pending review on this side, we're going to check out the admin page. Here we have a dashboard where we can see the user audit trail, the daily visits, we can add a user, all those good things. But right here's what we're looking at. It's a request. And indeed, I can compare those two. I can deny or give access. I'm going to go ahead and give access. So when I go back to my user page, we will have succeeded. Wombat has two front ends made with React, Vite, TypeScript, Tailwind, and Node. The client user side, Farhan and myself built out and deployed with Netlify. The client admin dashboard, Sabina and Kenneth built out. They also used Next.js, and Kenneth built out Firebase for the deployment. On the back end, we have two services. The main service built with Java and SpringBoot by Josh and Carlos, and the facial recognition service built with Python and Flask by Prashanth. Carlos also built out Docker so that we could deploy with AWS. Josh and Kenneth built out the database and schema with DynamoDB. We decided to go with DeepFace, a deep learning facial recognition system created by Facebook's scientists. It was released in 2015, and according to Wikipedia, it's currently the largest in the world. Let us not forget our team leads, Mike B and Noel, bringing the magic. This was fantastic. Thank you all for listening.